Hello guys, today I want to show you how I make my special delicacy, the fish, tomato, egg and vegetable sauce. Stay tuned. My ingredients are the salt, the seasoning cube, the pumpkin leaf, the turmeric powder, the smoked ice fish, and I have the tomatoes, the onions and the scotch bonnet pepper, and then I have the eggs and a little crayfish. Guys, I like adding crayfish to my sauce, to every of my delicacy, and then I'm not forgetting the vegetable oil. Yes, so these are my ingredients. Now I am slicing the tomatoes already washed. See, I have to slice as tiny as I can. Next is to slice the onions already washed and peeled. So I'm slicing them in a round format. For my sauce, I normally like slicing onion in a round, and I'm going ahead to wash the fish and debone them. First of all, wash the outer parts, and then I separate them and then wash the inner part as well. I am also peeling the pumpkin leaf, then I'll go ahead to wash it and slice it. As I'm washing the leaf, I must always add some salt to it so as to wash out every germs from the leaf. For me guys, I like washing the leaf 2 times and I must pick them as slicing time. So guys, next is to break and beat the eggs, which is what I'm doing right now. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video for me, and also share it. Share the video so others can see it. I went to wash my egg beater. I've already gone ahead to grind the crayfish. So now I'm set to cook. My frying pan is already on the fire, getting heated up, and I'll be adding the vegetable oil first. Followed by the onion. Alright, I normally add onion first because it helps bring out a nice aroma. When you fry onion with the vegetable oil, it gives the food a very nice aroma. Now the onion is set. Next is to put the already grinded pepper. Alright, next is to turn it and don't allow it to fry for a long time. If not, the kitchen will not accommodate you. The next thing I'll be adding right now is the tomato. As I fry the tomato, I add the fish. So guys, I missed the video of adding the fish and the seasoning, but know that once the tomato is added and fried for some time, This is a sauce, and therefore the tomatoes must not be dried, must not be that dried, okay? So guys, I have added the fish. Sorry I did not show you, I missed that part. But after adding the fish, the next thing I'm going to add here is the vegetable, because I've added the salt and the cubes. After the vegetable, once I add the vegetable, I stir it very, very well, followed by the eggs. So watch as I stir it. So I am going to employ my beaten eggs, adding it sparingly on and around the frying pan. So the next thing is to keep stirring it until the egg is done. Please do not forget, I added the turmeric, the crayfish and the seasoning cubes, including the salt. Immediately the tomatoes were ready, okay? Like I said, and like I always say, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Support your girl, and I promise you, you won't regret it. My sauce is ready, guys. Believe me, this sauce is something you cannot afford to miss. This is something you cannot afford not to give to that your special one. This is something that dearest person, whomever, would eat and will never forget. Okay? It is nutritious, it is healthy, it is proteinous, and moreover, it is delicious. You can eat this, you can use yam to eat this, you can use rice, you can use bread, you can use anything you need your sauce for. Alright? So guys, come let us eat. The sauce is ready. This is the end of my video. See you in my next video, and thank you for staying with me to the end.